Speak, Listen, Hub. Talk show.
You look serious today.
Big test this morning.
Math? I studied hard.
Same. I'm still nervous.
You'll do just fine.
I hope you're right.
Want to revise together?
Yes, just 10 minutes.
I brought my notes.
Let's look at chapter 4.
Formulas are the worst part.
But easy if practiced.
I like your handwriting.
Really? It's a bit messy.
No, it's really beautiful.
You're kind. Let's focus.
You're always so focused.
Exams are very important.
But breaks are too.
After exams, we relax.
Maybe get ice cream?
Only if we pass.
Deal. I'll treat you.
Then I'll study harder.
What's after math today?
English, then science class.
I enjoy English literature.
Me too. Stories help.
Do you write poems?
I try. Secret hobby.
I want to read.
Maybe after the exam.
Are you always this organized?
I try to be.
I need to learn.
Let's plan a schedule.
You'd make a tutor.
Future teacher, maybe someday.
I'd be your student.
You're such a flirt.
Not in science class.
There, you're serious, Leo.
Science is cool though.
I love chemistry labs.
Me too. Cool experiments.
Fire, colors, reactions, wow.
Our school has everything.
But still needs better canteen.
Ha. Food is essential.
Do you eat here?
Sometimes. I bring snacks.
I saw yesterday, cookies.
Want one next time?
Only if I pass.
You always say that.
It keeps me motivated.
What motivates you most?
Future goals and success.
That's deep and smart.
What about you, Leo?
I want to travel.
Where would you go?
Japan. Maybe even study.
I'd go to Oxford.
Fancy and perfect for you.
Thank you. I'd work hard.
You already do, Lina.
It's not always easy.
What's the hardest part?
Keeping focus every day.
Yeah, phones are distracting.
Social media eats time.
I deleted mine yesterday.
Wow. Why'd you do that?
I want better marks.
That's really mature, Leo.
I want to improve.
Together we can succeed.
Will you help me?
Of course. We're partners.
Study partners or more?
Focus, Leo. Exams first.
After exams, we'll see.
Maybe. If you're lucky.
I'll earn your maybe.
With top marks, yes.
Challenge accepted, Lina ma'am.
You're impossible and funny.
What's your favorite subject?
Right now, biology lessons.
Cells, animals, or plants?
Human body. It's fascinating.
Like heart and brain?
Exactly. And all systems.
You'd be a doctor.
I've thought about that.
You'd help many people.
That's the dream, really.
I believe in you.
That means a lot.
What scares you most?
Failing or forgetting everything.
I'll remind you everything.
So you must revise.
I already did yesterday.
Proud of you, really.
What about last year?
I failed one test.
And now you're best.
I worked hard daily.
That's true dedication, Lina.
Success takes daily effort.
What's next week's plan?
History quiz and science test.
Let's make flashcards together.
Yes, and quiz each other.
You make it fun.
School can be fun too.
Especially when we study.
Or talk like this.
Are we best classmates?
We're more than that.
Like what, Lina? Say it.
Like true school friends.
You saved yourself there.
Focus, Mr. Daydreamer.
Can't help it sometimes.
Time for class now.
Let's walk together, then.
Do you sit front?
No. I sit left.
Join me today, please.
Only if you share answers.
No cheating, only teamwork.
You sound like teacher.
Maybe I'll be one.
I'll be your assistant.
You'd be a cool one.
Let's win best duo.
In class, or school.
In everything, everywhere, always.
That's very dramatic, Leo.
I'm serious about success.
So am I, deeply.
Let's make dream boards.
After exams. Deal?
Deal. Study, then dream.
What's your school motto?
Learn, grow, lead forward.
Ours is knowledge is power.
Both are very true.
Let's live those words.
With honesty and effort.
And kindness too, always.
I like your mindset.
School shapes who we are.
Let's use it well.
This is our chance.
We're ready, I think.
Then let's face exams.
Together, strong and focused.
But don't forget snacks.
Cookies or juice today?
Cookies. For brain energy.
Genius choice, like you.
Study now. Talk later.
Wait, one last thing.
Yes, Leo? Be quick.
You make school better.
That's the best compliment.
It's also the truth.
Then study for me.
Only for you, always.
Now seriously, math.
Equation or formula first?
Let's try word problems.
I always mix those.
We'll fix it together.
Next exam, we win.
Let's aim top 10.
We'll make it happen.
I believe in us.
Class is starting now.
Let's do our best.
After school, celebrate, okay?
If we deserve it.
Oh, we totally will.
High five, study king.
Respect, study Queen Lina.
This team is unbeatable.
Strong minds, strong hearts.
And strong school spirit.
We're ready for anything.
One lesson at time.
One dream at time.
One grade at time.
One step together, always.
Let's go. We shine.
School is our future.
Let's make it bright.
Let's make it bright.